Weight gain tips. Eat more calories than you burn. To gain weight, you need to consume more calories than your body burns. Keep track of your daily calorie intake and make sure it is higher than your daily calorie expenditure. Increase your protein intake. Protein is essential for muscle growth and repair, so make sure to include plenty of high-protein foods in your diet, such as meat, fish, eggs, dairy, and beans. Eat more often. Eating smaller, more frequent meals throughout the day can help you consume more calories. Don't fear carbs. Carbohydrates provide energy, which is essential for weight gain. Include healthy carb sources such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and potatoes in your diet. Stay hydrated. Drinking enough water can help to increase your appetite and calorie intake. Consider working with a registered dietitian or personal trainer for personalized guidance. Be patient. Weight gain is a gradual process and it takes time. Do strength training exercises to build muscle mass.